favorite shark is Piyush Bansal, that is caught. Aman is very chunt. Anupam is a 18-year-old in a 48-year-old's body.
Kiara Advani's role in Kabir. In the Kabir film.
Dropping all the moments here. Hey everyone, welcome to our vlog. This is Dhruv, a second year undergrad student at Masters Union School of Business. And let me show you around what is happening here at the orientation day for batch of 29. So you know who would be better to brief us upon what's happening around here? Meet Muskan ma'am. Ma'am, what's going around?
Okay, so we are welcoming 350 students to UG class of 2029 and we are super excited. We are having registrations, then we have sessions in Tower A, Audi, all around the DLM Cyber Park.
Crazy, what are we giving the students this year?
So we are giving them a lot of new experience, 3 new courses, total 3, 2 new courses and a goodie bag that has frat t-shirts. So what is the fraternity?
Amazon, the winner fraternity.
Okay, but how many years?
Ma'am, 1 year, but I came here this year only.
Oh, so
Then
that
we
is the
won.
right one.
Maybe. Have you guys thought of some startup or anything you want to move into?
Consulting is the goal for me actually. I want to crack MBB, so that's one thing.
So okay, we have a consultant lady, and
I was planning in trading investment something.
Finance.
we have a trader. We have a trader, and
Finance.
अभी तो explore करना है.
okay, so we have explorers. That just validates the diversity of crowd here at MU.
You know what's happening here? Pratham is having fun with the new batch and they're basically discussing anonymously what all they have done.
Okay, yeah, your turn, Joyride. Internship at Mercedes-Benz.
Currently, Swati Ganeti is taking the session with the kids. She's doing a classic Ganeti thing where she's asking the students to write the definition of success.
So these students, they're moving out for lunch, and let's again catch them and ask them some questions. Describe Masters Union in a couple of words. That's it.
Corporate focus, innovative and fun. Restaurants.
Restaurants. The other word.
Corporate.
Corporate.
Complex and beautiful.
So you know the orientation week here at MU starts in a very formal tone, but that is not how we meet people here at MU. That's how we meet. If you to pick one of your mentees, who will teach me a dance step?
I think I picked one. Oh god. Okay, come.
Cool. I love the confidence here at MU.
You know how to do happy feet? It's very easy.
Oh, tell me.
When you lift the back part
Cool.
of your foot,
Yeah.
do that and then toe.
Cool. So,
And then come back like that
cool.
and then do that.
So is it like
Yeah, oh damn, you know it. You're just playing.
part chala, masti ki part chala, nahi to part. This is so awkward. That's what MU is about. Being cool with anything you do. So these fellas are done with their lunch, and now we are moving towards the Sahiba Bali session.
News vlog.
So since you've already worked in Zomato and you have very good experience in marketing, I would like to understand the marketing future is more out of marketing memes or marketing stories.
So if you're marketing to Gen Z and younger millennials, who call zillennials, I am one, then meme marketing works well, but it only works well for tier 1 cities. So it's a very small niche. Meme marketing will not work for tier 2, tier 3 Hindi speaking somewhere in the middle of India or boomers. For boomers, WhatsApp works, for example, because they're obsessed with WhatsApp forward.
How did you become who you are today? Define all these trade-offs.
My entire life, to be honest with you, has been trying to find that equilibrium. I'm not joking because in a day, I have my team here. I'm shooting right now a brand reel as we're talking. I had to do this session with you guys. I've just flown in from Bombay where I was auditioning and I was shooting for a web series. So I'm just trying to juggle everything that I can, and I tell everyone my life's like a circus and I'm a juggler. All women, sorry men, but I feel like all women try to find a balance in their life because so much is expected out of them. Are there. But something about the sharks, my favorite shark is Piyush Bansal, that is Scott. He is super smart, he is very enthusiastic, he's also very warm, loving and humble. Aman is very chunt. He's like brain
Hello Saiba. First of all, we love your content. And I really want to ask, what was Sahiba Bali like during her college days? And what's that one memory from your college time that you can never forget?
Dude, that was so fun. I love being in college. I miss it so much. And I don't think there's any difference between Saiba now and Saiba then. Saiba then, look-wise, was very, very different. I used to look very, very different then. But I was just as crazy. Like, I wanted to do everything. So I would be in college till 8, 9 p.m. because I was in theatre. And in the morning, I would sit down for lectures. The only thing that's very different is that I did not understand economics at all. Like, I was sitting in my class and I was like blank and I'm looking around and there were studious people who wanted to get into finance. And I always knew I don't want to do finance, like I want to do marketing. So I want to be that creative person but also analytical. So I had to get tuitions. So my parents were like, एक तो तुम college जा रहे हो पढ़ने economics, फिर आके घर भी तुम्हें tuition ही चाहिए. I was like, tuition is teaching me more than what I can learn in that classroom. And this is what I'm saying is don't be confined only to your classroom. And I used to eat like crazy. Anta Chami was my favorite. And the fountain wala Coke or Thumbs Up. And now there's a diet Thumbs Up which nobody should drink. Everyone should have original Thumbs Up. And I used to travel in the metro. So for 3 years, metro was my bed. Was my journey from Gurgaon to North Campus. It was very long.
Guys, we are gonna try to have a quick rapid question round with Sahiba Bali. Let's see if we get the chance.
We have a quick...
Your college, I wish I could be a student.
So I'm trying to host this vlog much like you hosted Zomato's videos.
Yeah.
But definitely I'm not living up to the aura.
No.
Anyway, we have a quick rapid fire question round for you. Would you be able to take it?
Yeah.
Cool. So what's that one movie you really wanted to feature in but you didn't?
Oh, it's a web series. It's called Family Man. It's on Amazon Prime.
It's my favorite. Bajpa is
I wanted to play Samantha's role.
What's that one movie you almost got featured in but then you didn't?
Kiara Advani's role in Kabir. In the Kabir film. Oh my god. I auditioned for that. Yeah, but Kiara.
Saiba is dropping all the O moments.
Yeah.
What's that one lesson of failure from college that has really taught you a lot?
I think it's the taking your studies a little seriously because in college you learn a lot. Okay, whatever you are being taught, it actually, like I said, like takes with you. And I got 4 out of 50 in one exam of mine. Okay, and I was devastated. I was completely devastated, and it was on investments. And I really, really wish I'd cracked that because all of that information I am using now.
Guys, I had been waiting for this moment the whole day. It was so special, it was so fun featuring Sahiba Bali in the vlog, and we finally got to have a questionnaire with her. That was amazing. 7 p.m. and we are finally done with the day 1 of orientation of batch of 29. I'm really excited and happy to host my juniors. So yeah, bye guys. Keep building, keep exploring, and follow and stay tuned for more such content.